Ever stared at your bank statement, eyes wide, a charge staring back at you that you know isn't yours? Or maybe a credit report error that's tanking your score? You've decided to fight back, to dispute it, and you've chosen MoneyLion. But now, the burning question: how long is this going to take? Are we talking days? Weeks? Months of financial limbo? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's be real, the waiting game is the hardest part. You've already dealt with the initial shock and frustration, and now you just want answers. You want your money back, your credit fixed, and the peace of mind that comes with it. Before we get to the timeline, it's crucial to understand what a dispute actually entails. Whether it's a transaction dispute with MoneyLion's Roar Money account or a credit report dispute facilitated through their Credit Builder Plus membership, it's about challenging information you believe is inaccurate. This could be anything from unauthorized charges to incorrect personal information on your credit file. MoneyLion, like other financial institutions, has a process they must follow. They're not just going to flip a switch and magically resolve your issue. There are regulations, investigations, and communication with third parties involved. Now, let's break down the time frame. For transaction disputes with your Roar Money account, the timeline is largely dictated by the Electronic Fund Transfer Act, EFTA. Under EFTA, MoneyLion has up to 10 business days to provide provisional credit to your account for the disputed amount. However, this is contingent on you notifying them within 60 days of the statement showing the error. After you file your dispute, MoneyLion will conduct an investigation. This investigation can take up to 45 days. During this period, they'll gather evidence, contact merchants, and review your account activity. If they determine the error was valid, the provisional credit becomes permanent. If not, they'll debit your account and you'll receive an explanation. So, for a Roar Money transaction dispute, you're looking at a potential timeframe of 10 days for provisional credit, followed by up to 45 days for a final resolution. That's roughly a month and a half maximum. Credit report disputes through MoneyLion's Credit Builder Plus operate under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. The FCRA mandates that credit bureaus have 30 days to investigate a dispute. This can be extended to 45 days if you provide additional information within the initial 30 days. MoneyLion acts as a facilitator in these disputes, sending your information to the relevant credit bureaus. Once the bureaus complete their investigation, they'll notify both you and MoneyLion of the results. If the information is found to be inaccurate, it will be corrected or deleted. Therefore, for credit report disputes, you should expect a timeline of 30 to 45 days. This is the time the credit bureaus themselves take, and MoneyLion is bound by those timelines. It's important to note that these are maximum timeframes. Many disputes are resolved much faster. If your dispute is straightforward and well documented, you might see a resolution within a few weeks. However, complex disputes involving multiple parties or extensive documentation can take longer. To speed up the process, make sure you provide MoneyLion with all the necessary information and documentation when you file your dispute. This includes transaction details, supporting evidence, and clear explanations of the errors. Keep track of your communications with MoneyLion and document everything. Also, be patient. While waiting can be frustrating, remember that MoneyLion is working within legal and regulatory guidelines. Regular follow-ups can be helpful, but avoid overwhelming them with constant inquiries, as this can slow down the process. Finally, remember that every dispute is unique. The complexity of your situation, the responsiveness of third parties, and the volume of disputes MoneyLion is handling can all affect the timeline. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.